Welcome to Space to Ground, I'm Chelsea Bayarte. Can you believe it's been 5 years since the Advanced Plant Habitat launched to the International Space Station? Since 2017, the habitat has grown wheat, radishes, chili peppers, and we're just getting started. This week on the space station, the astronauts are prepping the habitat for its next experiment. This upcoming experiment looks at whether gene adaptations in one generation of plants grown in space can transfer to the next generation. Studying plant adaptability not only helps researchers better prepare astronauts for growing food during long-duration missions on the moon, but it can also provide lessons and technologies that could improve farming methods here on Earth. While astronauts are studying ways to grow their own food, most of their meals are delivered using a cargo spacecraft. One freighter has nearly completed its delivery and is set to come back home next week. SpaceX's 25th Commercial Resupply Services mission arrived at the space station back in July and delivered nearly 6,000 pounds of science and supplies to the crew in orbit. Now nearing the end of its mission, the crew has been tasked this week with packing the Cargo Dragon for its return trip back to Earth. Cargo Dragon will return samples from experiments conducted on the orbiting laboratory for analysis by researchers on the ground. Be sure to keep up with the Space Station blog and follow @space_station for when to watch the undocking live on NASA TV. Also coming up next week, 2 Russian cosmonauts are suiting up and heading outside of the space station for a spacewalk. Oleg Artemyev and Denis Matviev will spend nearly 7 hours working on the European robotic arm to install cameras, remove equipment used during the arm's launch, and more. This will be the 7th spacewalk for Artemyev and the 3rd for Matviev. Artemyev completed a spacewalk with European Space Agency astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti just last month. While out on spacewalks, the crew members are busy with their tasks, but sometimes take a moment to look down at the beauty of the Earth below them. Fortunately, we don't have to wait until the next spacewalk to catch a glimpse of what they're seeing through their eyes. NASA just released views of the Earth captured from the International Space Station, available in 4K resolution. In nearly 1 hour of clips shot in 2021, you'll find spacecraft arriving and departing, auroras, city lights at night, and much more. Just hit play, sit back, and enjoy. That's Space to Ground. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.